What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to properly tension a chain on a chainsaw. Some of you guys may have done this on your own, but I want to show you a few tricks that'll make it a lot easier for you. When you're doing your tension, make sure that your chain brake is off. That's going to allow that sprocket to move freely, so that way you can do that correct adjustment when you're pushing through with your scrunch. Alright guys, you saw how I use the scrunch to put the chain on the chainsaw. So I use this for a couple reasons. Once you put your chain on your chainsaw, lightly tighten the bar nut on there, and then take this end of the scrunch and push the chain through. What that's going to do is it's going to roll that chain around the sprocket and take out any slack. So I use the first nut to tighten down, just not all the way, so that way when I push it through, if I need to readjust, I don't have to take the second nut back off to redo the adjustment on there. So what you're going to want as far as adjustment on there, I like it nice and snug. Remember that steel chains are pre-stretched, so you don't have to worry about the stretch on your chains. So after you get everything tensioned, you get your bar nuts tight, pick up in the middle of the bar, and you should be able to pull that chain almost all the way out with the drive link teeth still seated in there. Alright guys, you saw how easy it was to put a new chain on a chainsaw. Biggest thing is you need a scrunch. You saw how I used the flat end to use on the tensioner. I used the other end to tighten the nuts on the screw. And then I also use this flat end to push through on the chain, so that way I'm taking out any slack. The tensioner placement on all the saws is going to be a little bit different. Some of your entry-level homeowner saws are going to be on the front of the case. More of your pro saws, your farm and ranch saws are going to be on the side between your bar nuts. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do like our channel, like and subscribe down below. Leave any comments that you have on this page, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.